These are the elevators at the 1250 Mackle Plaza, Sarasota, Florida. They're scenic. We're gonna go up to 4. Here we are at 4. We're gonna go back down to 1. Here's your inspection certificate. And here's your cab view. Pretty nice elevators. Probably installed in the early to mid 2000s. We're gonna send this one up and call the other elevator. I'll cut the one we get it. In the meantime, here's the other elevator going up. You can't see it that well, but you can see the piston on the other elevator. Let's look at this one again. You can see it's still going up. Can't really see it. Anyway, I'll cut to when we get the other elevator, which is right here, but I think someone called it. We're gonna go 4. Then go back down to 1. Here's your cab view. These elevators are pretty much identical, but they're pretty nice. There it goes. Actually, these doors take a long time to shut.